Hello everyone, in this video we are looking into QAN3 TTS. With this we can clone our own voice and generate unlimited audio from text locally. So let's get started. In this video I'll show you what different models are there, how you can use it locally, and then I'll show you a demo of cloning my own voice and then generating speech from provided text. So QAN3 TTS recently launched couple of models. First, QAN3 TTS 12 Hz 1.7 billion base model. Then there is custom voice variant, and then finally there is voice design variant. So these three have different capabilities. So let's look into voice design. In case you want to generate a new voice totally by LLM, then you can use this voice design, and it has provided a sample here where you provide the language, the text that you want to generate, then the speaker and some instruction about the speaker. So this QAN voice design model will try to follow these instructions for the speaker and generate an audio output provided the text. So you can understand, you keep the instruction and speaker same and provide different text and generate audio. In a way, you have designed a new voice for your system. Then there is this custom voice where they have provided, I guess, 7 or 8 speakers. Here are the details of the speakers provided, like 3, 3, 6 and 9 speakers. You can use these predefined speakers to generate custom audio provided the text, and they have given the samples for each use case. Now let's come to this 1.7 billion base model of this QAN3 TTS. It has very high capacity to clone any voice provided the sample audio and transcription of the sample audio. It has also a facility to save the cloned model so that you can use it over and over again to generate speech from the text. So let's look into a quick example how to utilize this. In this code, I have this model ID that I'm using, which is QAN3 TTS 12 Hz 1.7 billion base. I have written couple of functions. First, it loads a model. Then there is a functionality to clone, then there is functionality to synthesize, and this is the main file, how to run it. Let me walk you through how you can run it. First, let's say you want to clone your voice. In order to clone your voice, you need a couple of things: the audio file, the transcript file of the audio, and output path where you want to save the model. Once you run this, you will have these things. So I have in an input folder, I have this my voice txt and my voice wave, and when I run this, it will save my voice prompt.pickle file into this models folder. And finally, when you want to synthesize text and generate audio, you run this command python main.py, then synth, provide the text, provide the output file where you want to save the output file, and the prompt or the model pickle file that you have saved. When you run this command, it will generate audio from this provided text, and you can see I have done that. I'm not sure you will able to hear it or not, but let me play this. What if I told you that you don't need one text to speech model, you actually need 3 depending on what you're building? I think it has captured the essence of my voice, and I'm kind of a little bit scared how fast and accurate it has cloned my voice, and now it's able to generate unlimited speech provided the text. So I guess this is it from my side for this video. I hope you have gained some knowledge out of this video. The code that I have used in this video is available on my GitHub, and the link of it is in the description of the video. In case you face an issue running or installing dependencies on your virtual environment, let me know in the comment section. I'll surely get back to you. Finally, if you like the work I put on my YouTube channel, consider subscribing to my channel. That helps. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the life, feel the music. Peace.